Hey, class! This is Teacher Aldea, and here is your Chapter 6 Bridges review. We have our quiz on Friday, so I hope this video will help. Chapter 6 was all about things that you do in the kitchen. We learned a lot over the past few weeks, so we're going to review all of these things today in this video. Vocabulary, cooking a meal, what do you like to eat? Grammar, using should. And the last thing is subtraction. So let's start with vocabulary. Kitchen. She is in the kitchen. Breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast. Egg. I cook the egg in a pan. Tea. He drinks tea every morning. Lunch. After lunch, I take a nap. Sandwich. The sandwich is on the plate. This is a plate. Juice. I like to drink apple juice. Dinner. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. I know this is not a vocabulary word, but o'clock just means it's a word that we use to say the time. So here, the small arrow is pointing at the 3, so we say, it is 3 o'clock. Moving on, noodles. I eat noodles for dinner. Milk. Well, you can see it on the picture, but yes, this word is milk. I don't drink milk for breakfast. I think you guys know that I like to drink coffee for breakfast. Haha, no milk for me. All right, so that was vocabulary. Let's move on to cooking a meal. In this, we looked at the different words to talk about steps. So we have first, next, then, after, and last. So we can think of this as sequencing, like 1, 2, 3. First, next, last. If we have this exercise here, and we want to put it in order, what do we do first? First, we buy food at the store. Then what happens? What is step number 2? Then cook the food. And last, we put the food on a plate and eat. So that's the order of things. If we want to look at it in the proper order, it will look like this. So first, buy food at the store. Then, cook the food. And last, put the food on the plate and eat. So you can see the order words. Now it's 1, 2, 3 in the correct order. That's something that we focused on in social studies class. Now, in conversation, we practiced, what do you like to eat? So again, what do you like to eat? Or, what do you like to eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Breakfast is at 7 o'clock, lunch is at 12 o'clock, and dinner is at 6 o'clock or sometimes later. So these are the different meals in the day. We looked at different types of foods, so you can have a look and read these words. These are some words that we learned in conversation class, and we practiced answering the question. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat what for breakfast? You can say, I eat cereal for breakfast. You can pick any one of these as long as it makes sense. Here's an example. We can say, I eat, what is this in the picture? It's noodles. So you say, I eat noodles for what? For breakfast? For lunch? For dinner? I eat noodles for lunch. Or I eat noodles for dinner. But we also talked about some people in our class eat noodles for breakfast too. And that's okay, as long as you understand the sentence structure. Now, moving on to grammar. Should. Should or shouldn't. Remember in class, we practiced saying should is for a good idea and shouldn't is for a bad idea. So if we look at this picture, this man, is he doing a good thing? Is it a good idea to watch TV all day, or is it a bad idea? What do you think? Does he look happy and healthy? No. So the right answer is he shouldn't watch TV all day. It's not a good idea. I should or shouldn't eat breakfast every day. Is it a good idea to eat breakfast every day? Yes. If you eat breakfast every day, then you are ready to learn for school. So we will say, I should eat breakfast every day. Let's try one more. Let's see if you can figure it out. Should or shouldn't? Is it a good idea to say thank you when someone does a nice thing? Yes, you should always say thank you. All right, there you go for grammar. And last, we did some math with subtraction. So subtraction means you take away or minus. This is the symbol for subtraction, taking away. In class, we looked at our hungry caterpillar here. There are 6 apples, but this hungry caterpillar eats 1, 2, 3 apples. So he takes away 3. He eats them. 6 minus 3. How many are left? There are 3 apples left. We can also look at it like this. 6 apples minus 3 apples equals 3 apples. All right? Subtraction, the number gets smaller. Okay, so that's an important difference. With addition, the number gets bigger. With subtraction, the number gets smaller. Okay? All right. And that's it for your Chapter 6 Bridges review. Good job! You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching the video, and Happy New Year!